everybody, welcome back. Did you miss me? I missed you guys. If you're new, hi, my name is Sydney, and my life is kind of crazy and chaotic. Anyway, it is my mom's birthday weekend. She is going away. My cousin Tyler is coming up to stay with me for the weekend and keep me company, and we're going to have cousin time. So I'm going to go pick him up. If you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and please hit that subscribe button. Please, please, please. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Love ya. Hi guys, so we're starting the vlog. It is currently 9:58. I have Barkley next to me in the passenger seat and Brownie in the back seat. It was so cute. I was only supposed to take Barkley where I was going because I was going to be gone for a couple hours and I was going to give Brownie like peace and quiet at home. But she followed me outside when I was picking up Barkley to put him in the car and jumped in the front seat, and I was like, Brownie, you can come. So I had to put her in the back seat because like she is kind of bigger than Barkley and I can trust that she's not gonna pee in my car. So Barkley's sleeping next to me. I put his little jacket on and he has a Chewbacca blanket. But yeah, we're on our way to Jersey. See you soon. Okay guys, so someone called the popo. Anyway, oh Brownie, you peed again? Good girl. You get a treat later. So we made it to Bayonne. Waiting for both dogs to do something. So far they both just peed. But I don't trust that. I don't want him peeing and pooping in my aunt's house. So it's kind of funny though. They're really my cousin has a dog and Barkley is jealous of it because the dog loves me because I always come here. There's a lot of police out today. I saw about 20 cars on the way here. Okay. You're causing me problems. Up the stairs. Keep going, Barney. Mom. No, Mama doesn't want either of you. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, Barkley. Brownie, let's get a treat. Come on. Brownie's like, Momo, let me in. Brownie, want a treat? Let me set. I have to get Brownie up. Brownie won't come upstairs. That's right. I will give you all treats. Get in. Up. Barkley. Hey. No more barking.
All take it easy.
I'll make sure your son's home safe. I love you. Say hi to the vlog. Love you. Hey guys, so we made it back home. Tyler set up his Xbox. Isn't it lovely? Barkley's napping on my lap. We're gonna pick Sawyer up from school very, very soon. And Brownie is right there on the little ottoman. So yeah, I'll pick this back up when we pick her up from school because we're not really doing anything. And we're gonna pick her up in like 20 minutes. Sorry, 19 minutes. Guess who's home?
I don't care who's home.
Sawyer's home. Sawyer, say hi to the vlog.
What's up, dog?
That's what I'm saying.
Barkley found his home again on my lap.
Come!
Alright. My hand's behind my back. You got me.
Okay, go. Go, no playing. No playing. No playing.
What's up, baby? What's the baby want?
No playing.
I made our gourmet food. We got pizza bites, Tostina's pizza rolls,
What you say?
and we got these crazy too.
Ah!
That don't listen. At all.
You do listen.
Don't listen. So we got Tyler here.
Oh, I got hot sauce on my thing.
We got Dana on the vlog. Well, she's on my phone on FaceTime. So vlog. I have my two favorite cousins right here. Sawyer's in her room. Barkley looks like he left her. Barkley had to go out. Hey guys, so there's Tyler, there's Sawyer. We just parked. We're gonna go get these really special donuts. You have your mask? No. Where's Sawyer? Sawyer, you look like you're about to rob a store. Take the hood down. Take the hood down. Yeah. It's your stop, Tyler. Dutchess County seal. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have to go this way, guys. Okay, we're gonna pick our donut, right?
You're gonna make your donut?
Yes, okay. Oh,
Don't worry.
okay. Come on. Go over here. Can you see over here, son? Okay, look.
Chocolate.
We got Tyler's donuts. How you feel, Tyler? Really good? Sorry, how you feel about your donuts?
They smell good.
They do smell good, right? Look at them. We got Fruity Pebbles. This is Sawyer's with her chocolate and sprinkles. She made and marshmallow drizzle. We have Sawyer's glaze with marshmallow and sprinkle. I made cookies and cream. I made a chocolate peanut butter, and I made a s'mores and a Fruity Pebble strawberry. I'm excited.
Did you get chocolate?
I did get a chocolate one.
With marshmallow. Every single
I'm
donut
gonna-
in there.
Which one do you want? Do you want your glaze with sprinkles or your chocolate with sprinkles?
Chocolate.
Okay, it's really sticky. Wait.
Give her a piece. I won't give her a whole donut.
Okay, so we're
That's not gonna know.
hold this real quick. First, so use the hand sanitizer and wash your hands. There's hand sanitizer in the door.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there
I
is.
want some. Why do you put hand sanitizer in the door?
We're in COVID.
I don't know about her, but she up way too early, bro.
Oh, look at that.
Why is that so small?
It's not small. I just ripped a piece off. So it's really sticky. If it gets all over my car, we gonna have problems.
Right?
Oh my god, I'm mad! We lost our streaks!
I know. I saw that this morning.
500!
You can get it back.
I don't want to do that.
I do. I'll email.
But
It was your fault. It was your fault.
I sent streaks last night. It's
You
your
did
fault.
not send streaks last
On my
night.
mother's life. How much you want it back?
I sent it back.
1:44 a.m.
Yeah, you didn't send anything till like.
I sent it last night because I was looking. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, I forgot to send streaks. So I sent it.
I was asleep. What did you want me to do?
I know. I'm like, I don't know her password to send streaks. So I'm like, I can't even do it. I'm like, we're about to lose these streaks.
Bro.
I'm tight. I'm mad as.
You're mad. I woke up this morning and saw that. I'll get it back. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I made a strawberry fruity pebble one. Oh my god. So good. I have to take the dogs out. There's Barkley and Brownie and Tyler somewhere in that. And then we have Sawyer. Then we got me. I'm sorry, Barkley. So I haven't vlogged yet today. It is currently 12:45. As you see, I have streamers up. Yesterday was my mom's birthday, but my mom was away, as I think I might have stated. And she turned 50 yesterday. Barkley out of the kitchen. And so she's coming home today. She'll be home in 45 minutes. So we ran to the store and we bought her favorite cake. She loves Carvel ice cream cake. That little thing was $20. Can you believe that? And I set the streamers up. Where was this from?
I had to hide it last night from her.
Yeah, well, that's that. And then, so we got 50 balloons, we have streamers, I have this happy birthday sign. Here, let's see if I can set it up without falling. Where the north meets the sea, there's a river, long of memories. What is it?
Someone told me next to you an hour ago to get out of the spot.
Don't recall that. What? Happy birthday
would have put on makeup had I known.
That sounds like a you issue. If you want to look hungover.
Where's the other puppy? Hello.
Getting squeezed to death, I swear.
Oh, hello. Hi, Brownie. I missed you. I'm trying. What's up? You let him rip up the rug again?
We were out.
Yeah, we can't pull that.
All right.
What's up, Tyler?
All right. What's up, baby boy?
Calm down.
What's up?
Old lady.
She's not.
I gotta get all this stuff in from that car.
Is it hard to go up and
God.
around when you're 50?
No, but Jesus, people. Oh my God.
We may have made it harder for you to walk
How
around.
cute.
Those are from Nicole.
I figured.
No, we bought those actually.
You better put your hands up, darling. Let's go, Daddy. Tyler, I'm daring you. You don't want to play. You do better not hit me. I'm not playing. Go ahead, Dad.
This is your doing. I don't even know if I'm bored. Oh, yeah.
Don't put your hands up.
So now that our house looks like a forest.
Oh, that's what I heard.
Wasn't there 5 candles? Oh, you have one. You only get 5. I took the 0 off so you can be a 55-year-old.
Oh, thank you.
But she. Wait, what?
It's the least I can do.
Okay.
What's that?
Got that
Ready,
Tyler?
Sawyer?
Waiting.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Take the phone now. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
It was such a beautiful
I got
song,
tears in my
Sawyer.
eyes. Oh. I'm good. Listen, it was beautiful. Am I knocking stuff over?
Yes. Get out with all your bags if I pick this up one more time.
Do you have to pee? Do you have your insulin?
No. Why would I? It needs to stay nice.
You're welcome. You would have left without it. Give her water bottle?
Yeah.
iPhone charger?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
He's got it now.
Okay, me and Tyler are on their way home on his way home. So, see you guys in an hour.
That's what I got. Did.
Vlog? I might drop him off on the side of the freeway. We're driving, and I asked him a simple question. He could have just told me yes or no. And what does he do? He jokingly goes to open the door. But guess what? It wasn't locked, so he went and opened it on the middle of the driveway.
This is what it did. I didn't know it was gonna do that. You were.
I'm done with him. I'm so done with him, though. All I want, you could have just answered my question. It was a simple question. You didn't have to go and try to open the door. So that way we're on the highway and...
I was kind of trying to jump out.
You trying to jump out?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's one of those years.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See you later, vlog. Watch this. I'm home. Me and Tyler decided. Tyler stays there. Tyler's walking my dog, so I brought the dogs.
Why?
Because I missed them.
No, you better not have.
I really did. I brought both puppies this time because they missed Bella. Who is it?
Easy.
Let's talk. How was your weekend?
Don't ask.
Will you ever come back?
Not one seriously.
You had a good weekend. It's okay.
It was good.
Yeah. Thank you. Say goodbye to the vlog. Do. Say goodbye. Wave. gonna kick my cousin's butt. He had one job. I literally just got home. And what do I find in my back seat? His coffee and chips. He was sitting in the front seat. So that means he had to put this down to grab his stuff. Oh, it's so blurry. Not cool, Tyler. Not cool. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe because my life is very unpredictable and we never know what's gonna happen. That's life. So anyway, see you next week. Love ya.